Okay, this is going to be a short tutorial about using Wikispaces. You're going to want to come over here and click Sign In, and you're going to want to create a new Wikispaces account. You'll fill in a username and password that you would like to use, your email address, and then you want to come over here and click Yes that you want to make a wiki. This will allow you to start a wiki by creating a name for it. You want to make sure that you put K-12 education as the industry. And then you want to click that you certify this wiki will be used for K-12 education. And you also want to just use the basic wiki, and then you'll click join. Since I already have an account, I'm going to come over here and sign in. And you will be brought to a dashboard when you join for the first time. And as you see here, you can also create a new wiki within your dashboard. And it's going to ask you the same information. So I'm going to just create a little sample to show you a couple of things. Okay, and then I also encourage you to take the tour because it's going to point out a lot of things to you that this video does as well, but it's always good to hear it twice. But I'm going to end the tour now so we can just look at some things. Okay, so this is your main wiki page. The first thing that you want to do is come over here and customize your heading. So you come over here to Manage Wiki, and you come down here to Look and Feel. Okay, this is going to allow you to change the theme and color. When you click on that, you'll see all of the different templates that you have, as well as how it changes the layout from having your navigation pane down the side or for the notebook having it across the top. You'll also notice that when you click on different themes, it allows you to change the color. Okay, so here this one gives you different options. So you can choose the option that you like. I'm going to pick the turquoise. You're going to click Apply. Okay, and you'll notice that that immediately changes it. So I'm going to come back over here to my home page so that I can start editing. So this is my main page where I'm going to put my information. To edit my wiki, I'm going to come and click on the Edit button. And it's going to bring up the editing pane. The first thing you want to do, obviously, is delete all of the information. And you will notice that your toolbar looks somewhat like a toolbar in Microsoft Word or some other word processing program. So you have bold, italics, underline, change the text color, and then you have different ways that you can put your text information in. All of these are headings, so if you want different sizes of headings, you can. And this is just normal text. Now, assigning a piece of text a heading will become important in a minute when I show you the table of contents. So if you do not want something to show up in your table of contents, then do not assign the text as a heading. Assign it as normal text. Other things that you can do are add numbered list, a bullet list. You can also insert a line as a page break. So you'll notice that that inserts a line there. Other things that you can do, for example, I have typed in the word sample. If I click on link, I can create a hyperlink to different aspects of my wiki. It could be something that's actually already in my wiki or a file that I've uploaded. It can be, and you'll see here, I'll upload a file in a minute and I'll show you, it'll show up here as a file that you can insert. You can copy and paste a web address here and link to an outside web source, or you can link to an email address. Okay, let me go ahead and show you the file. So when you click on File, you'll notice that you can insert files by clicking on Upload. And let me see, I will upload this. Okay, so I'm going to choose this document to upload. It's uploaded here. Okay, so now when I go back to link and I go to page or file, you will see that that document shows up in my page name, and so I can link my text to that actual document, and when I click on the text it will open that document for me. Something else you can do, you can certainly upload images into your wiki by uploading them from your own computer, or you can do an external image where you would just copy and paste the link or the image address here and click on load, and that would also be a way that you could upload an image. Okay, so I was talking earlier about table of contents. When you click on your widget tools, that brings up a lot of different things that you can put into your wiki, one being a table of contents. So when you click on table of contents, it's going to give you some instructions, and it's going to tell you what I did earlier, that anything that you have designated as a heading will then end up in your table of contents. So you can embed a flat table of contents or a regular table of contents. I suggest doing that once you have all your information in, and then you can go back and kind of look and see if you want your table of contents to look the way it does. Okay, other widgets that you might use are the reference widgets, because you're going to be using resources from online that you will need to cite. So when you click on the reference widget, you want to embed reference marker. And when you do that, it's going to allow you a space to put your references that are offset from the page, which is really neat. It's like a footer. Okay. Other things that you can do, you can insert video from YouTube, TeacherTube, any of these sources or other video. And when you click on it, it will tell you what you need to do. You're going to have, if you want a YouTube video, you're going to have to find and locate that embed code and then copy and paste it into this box here, and it will embed that video for you. Other widgets you can put in, you can do a calendar. From Google Calendars, you can do spreadsheets, you can do documents. This is another way to put a document into your wiki. Polls, slideshows, maps, any other kind of media that you want to pull into your wiki, you can do that. And anytime you click on other HTML, it's going to tell you that any media source or application that has an HTML embed code, if you can access that embed code, you can then embed it into your wiki by simply copying and pasting the link here and clicking save. Okay, a couple other things. You can insert a table. So when you click insert table, it allows you to designate columns and rows. You can insert it, and then you'll be able to insert text, images, things into the table. This is the undo and redo button if you need to undo or redo anything. You'll notice that it saves periodically over here. If you want to look at what the wiki will look like published before you actually publish it, you can click on preview. It'll show you that. Cancel is going to take you out of what you've worked on, and you're not going to be able to access it anymore. And then save allows you to save and publish. So I'll just type that in and click save, and you'll notice that it brings me to my page and it has what I've worked on here. Basically, the way that you will share this into the thing link for your class is just by using this link up here. And this is the link that you'll use to save that. Anytime you want to come back into your wiki and edit it, you'll sign into your account, go to My Wikis, click on the wiki, bring it up, and click on Edit. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.